MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2024 Aviara 28 Outboard. Starting down here on the side, you can see we did this awesome color pattern with the blue and the white, and then it's got the tan interior. Real classic look, but just looks like luxury. Just a great idea, great color combination to go out onto the water. As we continue around, you can see the beautiful lines that they do on the Aviara. This one's got the lighter finish, the brushed finish on the accents there, and then one of the cool things that they do is they cover the sides here with the fuel tanks. That way it keeps that nice clean look going all the way down the side. Again, this one's got the brown interior, so it's got this matching sea deck, which got that cool architectural pattern on there that we'll see as we go inside. And then this one is equipped with the twin Mercury 250 Verados, so with the joystick option as well. So easy to operate this boat. You can put this thing pretty much anywhere you want with that joystick. So heading up onto the boat, first thing you'll notice, nice big sun pad in the back here. We do have storage underneath. Obviously this is outboard powered, so there's no engines inside of there. So it gives you a nice storage area where you can put life jackets, some water toys, kind of whatever you want to use for enjoying that day out on the water with your friends and family. Nice step down into the boat. Again, you can see that nice color combination wrapping all the way around with the tan. Incredible stereo system. Awesome machine finishes here with the cup holders. You got some phone holders and your grab rails there. Just a really quality attention to detail that just sets Aviara apart from a lot of the other brands out there on the market. So some of the cool things they do, it's a cool touch vinyl, and then you also have a sloped seat here. So as you sit down, it's just, it fits your body the right way. So as stupid as it sounds, you can get tired sitting sometimes. This just kind of keeps you going, and it's just very comfortable to be out on the water. Very enjoyable for your friends and family. You do have seats that go back and forth, so right now we have them set up so you can have someone sitting as a co-captain in the front, and then I could slide these back and forth if we're hanging out at a sandbar or something. That way you get more seating in the cockpit. Up above us, this one does have a power tower that comes down. One of the nice things about that is as it comes down, that top stays level, so you can kind of, if you need to get under a bridge around here or wherever you're going to be doing your boating, you can do that. Heading up to the helm, nice Simrad screen, all touchscreen, very user-friendly, easy to use. And then over on the side there, that's going to be your total boat control with all your switches, your radio, windlass controls, bilge pumps, everything that you need. You can kind of flip through there to control everything on board the vessel. Over to the side there, obviously you got the Mercury digital throttles, nice and easy in and out of gear. You've got that joystick piloting option that comes with the Skyhook. You have autopilot, and then you can follow waypoints as well. And then you have your auto trim tab system that it is equipped with on the Aviara 28. Underneath the helm, very large head compartment. You have a freshwater sink. You can kind of see the nice styling that they did with the cabinets and everything in there, and then it is a vacuum flush head, nice and easy to use with a holding tank, and then you can pump that out. So as we close that, you can see they do the port side walkthrough. Brings you into a huge bow for a 28-foot boat. You know, nice and deep again. I've always looked at safety features with something that's this high on the sides. I have little kids, very safe having, you know, young ones or kids out on the boat, just enjoying that day out on the water. Thank you for taking that quick walkthrough with me of this brand new, beautiful 2024 Aviara 28 Outboard. Again, my name is Bill Herr here in MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you'd like to schedule a private showing or have any questions about the boat, you can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.